Now we're going to do a little bit more complicated things. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to turn the cube into a subdivided cube. So we're going to click on this little spanner down here. I'm going to click Add Modifier. We're going to go to Subdivision Surface. So what you notice is when I click on that, it turns into a little circle. The difference between that and the sphere is that the sphere looks a little too perfect, and for the kind of game-like body we want to create for animals in the future, we want something a little bit more rickety, so that's why we're subdividing. So something to keep in mind is that you can actually use other modifiers. Modifiers are things that you can add to the cube that will disappear later when you click on the X. So they're really useful to change your stuff because they're really easy to undo without clicking the undo key. The next thing we're going to do is color the cube. So we've added a modifier, and down here you see there's a little circle with some checkers on it. That's our material. Let's look in our material panel. We've already got a material selected. This is how you get rid of materials. This is how you add materials. Once you've added something, you need to click New. You notice down here there's a lot of different options. You change the color here. You can make it look metallic. You can play around with those if you like. But to create the glowing kind of effect that you saw in my video, I had emission turned on, so this makes it look a bit brighter. So something that you should know is that if you press the Z key, you can go to a rendered view, and this will show you different colors. So if we go back to the previous one where we changed it to like a pink color, this will only turn up when you're in render mode. Easy way to see render mode is at the top of your screen up here. That's just the normal modeling mode, and this is the rendered mode. You can see it a bit more clearly in our robot intro. And here, click on rendered mode, you see the colors and you can see the lighting a lot clearer. Finally, we're going to look at how to light the cube. So to do this, you need to click on the light. Make sure you click on it here, or you can click on it up here. Then this will appear in your sidebar. When you're using the light, make sure you're in the rendered view I talked to you about, or you're not going to see it. You can use the sun, the spot, the area. You can play with different colors. I generally like to use a nice warm light for everything that I do. And you can change the power of it. And that's it.